Hi, my name is Michael with Vivint Smart Home. I'm going to quickly show you how to set up and use all the smart products in your new place. And when we're done, you'll be able to manage your entire smart home from anywhere. Sound good? Let's get started. First things first, you should have received an email or text invitation to set up your system from the leasing office. So grab your phone, find that message, and we'll start the setup process. What you'll want to do is accept the email or text invitation. Then you'll be prompted to create a password, log in, set up a 4-digit user PIN that you'll use to control your system, and a verbal passcode that you'll use to verify yourself when speaking with Vivint. You'll know you've completed the process when you've been prompted to download the Vivint Smart Home app on your Apple or Android device. If you don't have a smartphone, don't worry. You can also control your Vivint Smart Home online. If you see an alert that your system is not connected to Wi-Fi, at your main screen, select the Wi-Fi icon, enter your 4-digit user PIN, tap the Wi-Fi menu, select your Wi-Fi name, and enter your password. When it comes to controlling your system, you can use your Vivint Smart Hub or your Vivint Smart Home app. They look and work pretty much the same, but we're going to focus on the app in this video. On the main screen, you can see the status of your system, and lock or unlock your front door. At the top, you'll see any current notifications on your system. In the menu, you can view your custom actions, notifications, and users. At the bottom, you'll be able to control and manage the rest of your smart home products. And be sure to check out your activity feed for a history of what's been going on in your smart home. To arm your Vivint Smart Home, push and hold the shield, and then drag to leaving or staying. Leaving will make sure to arm your motion detector, and the alarm will sound if motion is detected while you're away. In staying, your system will deactivate the motion detector so you can be safe and secure in your home while walking around. To disarm your system, push and hold the shield and drag down to disarm. Or you can use your 4-digit PIN on your Vivint Smart Hub. If the alarm does go off, you'll receive a notification from your Vivint Smart Home app. If you're home, you'll also hear the alarm. To deactivate the alarm, simply disarm your system through the Vivint Smart Home app or the Vivint Smart Hub. It's important to note that you're not connected to Vivint Professional Monitoring, but you can check in on your home and contact the authorities directly if needed. Your system works together to know when you're home or away, letting your Vivint Element thermostat adjust automatically to your schedule. Or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can adjust it manually like a traditional thermostat. Your Vivint Element thermostat shows you your target and your current temperature. Use the up and down arrows to adjust. To view your mode, push the button on the right. Change to the mode you'd like. To select, push the button again. In the thermostat settings, you can adjust your smart assistant preferences for when you're home, asleep, away, or on vacation. If you'd like, you can disable Smart Assistant to set up your own preferred schedule. The Smart Lock is great because it lets you lock or unlock your door using just a keypad or from anywhere using your Vivint Smart Home app. That means no more lost keys and no more locked out guests. From the outside, you can lock up by pressing the lock button on the keypad. To unlock, just enter your 4-digit PIN. The Vivint Smart Home app will notify you if the batteries are low in your lock or if they need to be changed. To change the batteries, simply slide up the black cover, pull the battery pack out, replace the 4 AA batteries, and slide the battery pack back in. Then replace the cover. Smart lighting in your home makes it easier than ever to take control of your lights. Just flip the wall switch as you normally would, or in the Vivint Smart Home app, tap Devices, and then toggle the light that you want to turn on or off. If you'd like to set up automation rules to turn your lights on and off, we'll explain that later in our custom action section in this video. Smart cameras like your Vivint Doorbell camera give you a live and recorded view of your front door, letting you see and speak to visitors from anywhere. It even saves motion-activated clips that you can watch anytime. To view your doorbell camera, open your Vivint app and click on that camera icon at the bottom. Select your doorbell camera to view live video. If you have visitors you'd like to speak to, push the microphone button to talk and release to listen. To view any stored clips, click the clips at the bottom, select the clip you'd like to watch, and it will load for you. Just remember that the clips are stored for 14 days. Since everything in your Vivint Smart Home is connected and works together, you can use custom actions to automate different parts of your home each day. For example, you can set your lights to turn on each day at sundown, or have the system arm itself each night. It's the small and simple things that make your life a little bit easier. To access your custom actions, go to your Vivint app, and in the top left corner hit the menu. Select Custom Actions, And from here, hit the plus sign to add a rule or notification for your system. One of the biggest benefits of adding other users to your Vivint system is that you can be notified of who is unlocking your door based on the unique code that you gave them. To add or edit users, open your Vivint Smart Home app, select the menu icon, tap Users, and then select the user you'd like to edit, or hit the plus sign to add a new user. As we mentioned, you can control everything in your system using the Vivint Smart Hub in your home or the Vivint Smart Home app from anywhere. If you have a Google or Amazon smart speaker, you can connect it to our system and control your entire home with the sound of your voice. Just speak and your home listens, including lights, locks, thermostat, and security. For more information on how to connect a voice assistant to your smart home, visit the website on the screen.